This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a quote block in Reddit. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Reddit. To create a quote block in Reddit, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to create a quote block for this right here. All you need to do is highlight the text that you want to create the quote block for. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across it to highlight the text. Then you go up to the links up here to the quote block link. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says quote block. Click on it. And there you have it. That is how you create a quote block in Reddit. Thanks for watching.